How to make homemade detox teas. Natural detox diets eliminate toxins from your body, improve health, and promote weight loss. They often involve the use of laxatives, diuretics, vitamins, minerals, teas, and other foods thought to have detoxing properties. Ways to optimize your body's natural detoxification system. Limit alcohol. More than 90% of alcohol is metabolized in your liver. Liver enzymes metabolize alcohol to acetaldehyde, a known cancer-causing chemical. Focus on sleep. Ensuring adequate and quality sleep each night is a must to support your body's health and natural detoxification system. Drink more water. Water regulates your body temperature, lubricates joints, aids digestion and nutrient absorption, and detoxifies your body by removing waste products. Reduce your intake of sugar and processed foods. Eat antioxidant-rich foods. Eat foods high in prebiotics. Decrease your salt intake. Get active. Now, we are going to guide you on how to make your detox teas at home. Before, during, and after a natural detox program, detox teas can help keep your body clear of toxins. There are so many different types on the market today that it's hard to keep them all straight. You want to make sure that when you choose one, it is organic and unsweetened. Teas are also great ways to stay hydrated during your cleanse. Freshly made homemade natural detox teas help aid the liver, flush out toxins and restore balance in the body. They are healing and restorative. You can make these teas ahead and refrigerated, then reheated as needed. These 5 detox tea recipes will surprise you. Number 1. Lemon Ginger Turmeric Detox Tea. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon fresh grated ginger, 1 teaspoon fresh grated turmeric, 1 lemon wedge, 1 cup hot water, 2 to 3 teaspoons raw honey. Skip for detox. Instructions: boil water in a kettle. Use a large coarse grater to shave fresh ginger into a mug. Place a wedge of fresh lemon in the mug. You can place both in a tea infuser to strain the tea if you like. Pour boiling water into the cup and let the lemon and ginger steep for 5 minutes before serving. Ginger, which helps relieve nausea, is an anti-inflammatory root that gives gentle relief to your stomach. Eliminating gas and bloating goes a long way in making your weight loss visible. The addition of turmeric, cayenne, and cinnamon not only contributes deeper flavor to the tea, but these spices also contribute immune system support and additional antioxidants. Add honey to taste if drinking for enjoyment. Skip the honey, or use very little, if drinking as a detox tea. Number 2. Flat Belly Tea Recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup organic hot green tea, 1 tablespoon raw apple cider vinegar juice from a lemon, half stevia or raw honey to taste. Instructions: 1. Brew 1 to 2 tea bags of green tea in 8 ounces of filtered water. 2. Add apple cider vinegar, lemon juice and stevia to taste. 3. Stir and enjoy. Number 3. Detox Drink Recipe. Ingredients: 1 glass of warm or hot water, 12 to 16 ounces. 2 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/2–1 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 dash cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon raw, local honey optional. Instructions: warm the water. Mix all ingredients together. Best served warm but drink at desired temperature. Number 4. Ayurvedic Turmeric Detox Tea. Ingredients: 1 quart boiling water, 1 to 2 tablespoons thinly sliced ginger, 1 tablespoon thinly sliced fresh turmeric, or 1/2–1 teaspoon ground, 1 to 2 teaspoons coriander seeds, 1 to 2 teaspoons cumin seeds, 1 to 2 teaspoons fennel seeds, 1 to 2 bags or tablespoons green tea, tusli tea, mint tea, chamomile, ginger tea, yerba, squeeze of lemon. Other additions: use other whole spices if you like: cinnamon, clove, cardamon, pink peppercorns, anise. Instructions: boil water. Place seeds, turmeric and ginger and tea in a French press, let stand 5 minutes before plunging. Refill French press reusing the same ingredients. Try to drink a total of 2 quarts in a day. Alternatively, simmer all ingredients together for 5 minutes in a large pot. Strain before drinking. Number 5. Apple cider vinegar detox tea. Ingredients: 8 ounces. Hot water, 1 packet PK green tea crystals or 1 green tea bag, 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar, 1 thin slice organic lemon about 1/4 thick, 1 thin slice fresh ginger root about 1/4 thick, 1 cinnamon stick, dash of stevia or JJ virgin sprinkles if desired. Directions: add the tea, vinegar, lemon slice, and ginger to the hot water and stir well with cinnamon stick. Leave cinnamon stick in cup and allow all ingredients to steep for 4 to 5 minutes before drinking. Go ahead and try them all. Don't miss our latest video uploads. Subscribe today. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, activate the bell to be notified immediately when new Natural Remedies videos are available. Natural Remedies YouTube channel, a division of Springs of Eden.